Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello friends, this is Mansi. I am in class 4, a student of Dots and Digits. I am going to tell you a story about caring and sharing today. This is me and my brothers Surya and Joshua. Because of the lockdown this year, Navratri didn't seem festive enough for us. So we decided to order some fireworks on Amazon and celebrate Navratri. We ordered 10 boxes of different types of fireworks for each one of us. After about a week, our parcels were delivered. We were very excited to open them. I opened my boxes first. I got 10 boxes. Each box had one flower pot inside. Therefore, I had 10 flower pots totally. Surya opened his boxes next. There were 2 rockets in each box. This made 20 rockets in all. Joshua couldn't wait to open his boxes next. There were 3 sparklers in each of his boxes with a total of 30 sparklers. But we have a problem now. Each of us have different number of fireworks with us. How can we make sure that we all have the same number of fireworks and boxes? Can you help us? We don't want to open the packs and split them either. Oh, what do we do now? After thinking about it for a while, I came up with a way to resolve this and share the fireworks and boxes among all of us equally. We had 30 boxes and 60 fireworks in all to be shared, so that would be 10 boxes and 20 fireworks for each of us. We start off with the number of boxes using a base of 10. We first list the number of ways in which we can make 10 with 3 numbers. Next, coming to the number of fireworks, using a base of 20, we see how many ways we can make 20 with 3 numbers by adding only multiples of 1, 2 and 3. Finally, putting these two together, we arrive at the number of boxes and fireworks that have to be shared between the 3 of us. Let us consider the number of boxes as the base of our calculation. What are the possible ways of making 10 with 3 numbers? Let us start with 4 pink boxes for me, which means I get 4 flower pots. That leaves 6 boxes to be divided among my brothers. So each of them will get 3 boxes and 3 flower pots each. Let me take 2 blue boxes for myself. Therefore, I get 4 rockets. That leaves 8 boxes to be divided equally between my brothers. So each of them will get 4 boxes of 8 rockets each. The last set of boxes are also divided just like we did for the pink boxes, but this time I get 12 sparklers and my brothers get 9 sparklers each. And this is the final tally of how we divided the boxes and fireworks amongst ourselves. We also found another way of sharing the fireworks. Can you think of other ways too? We wish you a colorful and enjoyable festive season. Stay safe. Thank you.